Hi guys, just as last year I'm gonna document the Tenere Travel Trophy for you, all the 7 days, and of course some preparations in the beginning. I just received the starter package, so I'm gonna show you that one and show you what's inside. So, what do we got here? Let's see. It's the first time opening it. That's all. I see we got here a nice Tenere Travel Trophy. This looks cool. Nice. Let's see what we got here. These are the luggage labels. If you have the dealer package, then you're allowed to take some luggage with you that you can transport with the truck, so you don't have to bring it all the way on the bike. Always nice. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a waterproof case for the passport that we got. Here we got 1, 2 for the luggage rack. This one is for the windshield, and this one are optional to place on the bike wherever you want. This I like. This is a extra decal kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with all the countries we're traveling. I really like this. This is a good. This last year this wasn't in it. Nice addition, very nice, cool. This is the passport. Here in this, just like last year, you can see the schedule of the day by day, what the planning is, which times is breakfast, dinner, etc, etc. And also the stamps are going in here. And this is maybe the most important one, the travel guide. Here is all the information that you need for the trip. It speaks for itself. They included the packing list. Nice picture I taken last year. It's my bike. A checklist for all the documents you need, the stuff you need. This is probably the thing I'm most excited about. Paul Towers is coming the first day to the Tenere Travel Trophy to speak about his adventures, and I hope he is going to give a demo too. Probably going to ask him to sign my helmet or something like that, because yes, I'm a real fan. Also pictures are made. It's fun to see my own work in magazines and posters. It speaks for itself. All the rules. Very nice. See you at the start, and I see you in the next episode where I'm gonna prep the bike. There was a small video about the Tenere Travel starter pack. I wanted you guys to show you what's in it and let the fun begin. See you next episode.